In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Form Ranger to populate options from a Google Sheet in Google Forms. We'll begin by opening Google Drive, which is the home for all Google Docs, Sheets and Forms. Once there, you'll want to click on the New button located at the top left corner of your screen. This button allows you to create a new file, and in our case, we will select Google Forms to start a new form. After clicking Google Forms, you'll see an option to select a blank form. This is the best place to start so that you can customize it according to your needs. It's a good idea at this point to name your form so it's easily identifiable later. Just click on the Untitled Form field and give it a suitable name. Now we'll add questions to our form. You can add various types of questions, whether they're multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answers. Once you've added your questions, the next step is to click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner, also known as the More menu. From this menu, head into Get Add-ons to access additional tools that enhance the capabilities of our Google form. In the search bar, type in Form Ranger and hit Enter. Form Ranger is a powerful add-on that allows you to pull data from a Google Sheet into a form, making it simple to keep forms dynamic and automatically updated. Click on the Form Ranger icon, then select Install. You will need to authorize your Google account for installation. Ensure you're using the email account associated with your Google Forms and click on Continue. Once installed, it's time to set up Form Ranger. Return to your form and under the Add-ons menu, select Form Ranger. To start it up, click on Start and the Setup menu will appear. Here, you need to connect your form to the Google Sheet that contains the options you want to populate. Select the spreadsheet from your files and make sure it's correctly connected. The next step is to fill in the range name. The range name refers to the specific cells in your Google Sheet that contain the options you want to auto-populate into your form. After this setup, click Done, and if necessary, enable the Auto Repopulate function to ensure the options in your form are always up to date with any changes made in the spreadsheet. And that wraps up the process. Now, whenever you add data to your spreadsheet, it will automatically be reflected as options in your Google form, making Form Ranger an incredibly efficient tool. The power of dynamic forms is now at your fingertips, making your surveys or data collection processes much more agile and up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.